Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Let's go back, guys, to the discussion of the gold market. The gold market price, in fact, has erased all the intraday bullish patterns that we have discussed previously. As the potential butterflies, the Gartley's triple to buy patterns have been vanished by the yesterday's price action, and now it is continuing. Right now, you can see market is charging the monthly pivot point again, and in fact is returning right back down to this fib support that already has been tested first here. It's 1292, the 50% support of this thrust up. That was also daily oversold, and right now market is returned right back down. But here, as you can see, there's no oversold anymore, and the support area will become weaker on the second test. In fact, theoretically, at least theoretically, there exists the chance for appearing of the bullish pattern. This bullish pattern could be the butterfly until market stands above this low. So you can see the shape is suitable for butterfly pattern. But guys, to make such sort of the rally to exceed this top, this really will demand a significant power and significant inflow, significant purchase activity, buying activity, and currently we do not see any resources of such demand on the gold market. Maybe only some really happen on the geopolitical tensions, but currently I do not see any signs for such sort of the rally on the daily time frame chart, and that's why currently I think that odds stands in favor of possible taking of these lows and appearing of some ABCD pattern down, as we have suggested initially. Take a look that the next area of support stands approximately 1270. That is daily oversold again and monthly pivot support one. So if market will pass through this monthly pivot point, next destination, it's normal within the months, is the monthly pivot support one. So taking a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here what we see. First of all, our ABC top pattern D point stands at 1270 area again, and it agrees as the target of this ABCD, as the target of the butterfly 1618 butterfly stands at 1270 and coincide with the monthly pivot support one. So that will be really significant objective point, and that will be a significant support area. What we could say about the recent action to the downside? Well, first of all, what could be interesting here is that maybe market has hit ABCD target of this ABC top D pattern. Market has hit it. Market has vanished the opportunity for butterfly buy that we have discussed that probably could appear here. That has been erased, these chances on this section. And this really recent acceleration to the downside is not very positive sign for bullish development. In fact, guys, with this downward action, we do not see any meaningful attempt to show any bounce. It's very tight action, small candles, very flat pauses in the downward action. In fact, market moves down, stands flat, moves down, stands flat, moves down. No significant reaction, no significant retracement. Previous rally to the upside on this previous week has been vanished, so market has erased this recent thrust. Well, it probably will be better seen on the hourly chart right here. So we said that watch for this possible move to the upside. Market has erased this thrusting candle, was totally destroyed. Even more, yesterday we said that price action in this bullish wedge pattern is very choppy. We said that probably market has chances to show upward action, because yesterday the major riddle was whether market will form some ABCD to the upside or not, and this fallen wedge pattern was relatively bullish. That suggests that this could happen, and we talked about the absence of some thrust in action inside of this wedge. We see that choppy action, not really significant development. But yesterday and right now we see this acceleration to the downside. And that seems to be bearish. Currently my market has reached some support area on the intraday targets. This is a 1618 extension of that swing. Maybe you could draw it as the butterfly, but I prefer to treat it just as the 1618 extension of this candle, of this thrust up. Also guys, this is, as we said, the objective point of this A, B, C top D pattern. Well, and taking in consideration of the action on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily chart, we can't exclude minor bounce. Maybe this something will happen here. Maybe market will form even some minor A, B, C, D pattern to the downside. That could happen as the retracement, because this also you can see the 50% support. It hasn't disappeared. It still stands at 1292 area, and really also could support the market. But with the lack of real potential demand on the market, it's very difficult to suggest that market could accelerate to the upside. Sooner or later, probably this low will be taken out, and that's in fact the point that we should watch for. As soon as market will taken out, all chances on bullish patterns will disappear here, and the only way for the market will rest to the downside, to the 1270 area. But even now, taking in consideration the facts that we have discussed yesterday concerning the weakened physical demand on the gold market, really a promising data on the United States economy, it's really no room for the gold, no chances, significant chances for the gold to show any significant upside bounce, except maybe geopolitical situation. That's all. That's why currently probably we should be watch for possible retracement if it will happen, but later I think that market still will take out of these lows and probably will continue move lower.